video, we will explore morph targets in detail. Stored geometric states known as morph targets can be utilized effectively for sculpting in ZBrush. They can be created at any time during the process, but only one morph target can be applied to each subtool at once. The morph target palette can be found as a subpalette in the tool menu. To create a morph target, simply click on Store Empty. At this point, we can now edit our 3D model. To blend between different states seamlessly, we can navigate to the Morph Target subpalette and easily adjust the morph slider to our desired level of intensity. Up here, we can also switch between the different states. There's also the option to blend specific areas of the 3D object. In this case, we'll use the Morph brush. Using this brush, we can effortlessly blend the areas needed for our final result. By pressing the Delete button, we remove our selected morph target, and the current object state returns to its initial state. In the next video, we'll explore the 3D layers.